Hello, Yatri. So, welcome back to Yatri Cloud. And firstly, I'm gonna be say huge congratulations to our team India to become a World T20 champion back to back again in 2026. So now on this celebration moment, if you are from the India, just type Jai Hind in the comment box. And on this celebration, we are gonna be give you the lot of benefit today. So stay tuned with me on this video. You will get to know how many benefits are there and how to schedule the AWS exam totally and the discounted price. So AWS is not totally 100% free as you know. So now what you will be getting a benefit. So you can see the benefit sections and you go to the benefit and here you are able to see the each and every benefit which you will be getting today. So yeah, 50% off the vouchers on AWS practitioner and associate exams, anything, whatever you want to schedule. Secondly, you will be getting a question and answers which is already, frequently coming in the exams, and also the resources you will be getting totally in free. And thirdly, you will be getting a Udemy free access. You will be get to know how to practice these questions, correct? So if you can see the practice this, just go there and in the certification, just select AWS and you are able to see the AWS certifications exam preparation. So which is paid. But if you schedule the exam from our side, you will be getting access totally in free to practice these questions, right? So just go to the benefit again. So now this free benefit you will be getting after schedule the exam. And after passing the exam, after certified on AWS, you will be getting a free top mate connect with me if you want to guide, if you want any help or if you want to guidance anything right from my side, you will be getting totally free. Secondly, you will be getting a LinkedIn recommendation access from my side, and also you will be getting a Yatri Wall of Fame achievement. So which is upcoming features. So right now you can just stay updated with me on our Yatri Cloud channel. So yeah, just stay tuned with me and subscribe to the Yatri Cloud to get certified. So yeah, there's 6 benefit you will be getting after scheduling the exam and passing the exam. So now, what is the procedure? So it's a very simple. So just scroll up and you are able to see the how to get certified. So here you have to just select a time whenever you are available to arrange a meeting. And then secondly, you have to just confirm the booking time. And in the meeting, I'm gonna be scheduling your AWS exam, whatever you want to give, and whenever you want to give, right? And during the scheduling the call, right? You will be getting the free access of Udemy, and secondly, you will be getting the resources of the exam and the practice questions, right? So these are benefit, right? You will be getting in the meeting call. And after certified the AWS exam, you will be getting this last 3 benefit: top mate, LinkedIn recommendation, and Yatri Fall of Fame, right? So what you can do? So just simply click on the book now, or you can just select the schedule a mate, or you can also select the get your 50% off here. So select it and you are able to see the time slot here. So you have to just select the date and time whenever you want to arrange the meeting. It's not a time when you are gonna be schedule the exam. Make sure just schedule the call whenever you are free, right? Let's say today night March and night 15 if you want to select, you can just select it, right? Let's say the Saturday, Sunday if you want to available, right? You can just find out any other time slot if available, correct? So let's say 9th March, 9:15, click on the next, and here you are able to just give the name and the email address, right? Email address is anything, right? Whatever you want to give. Like it's the very different from the AWS, so do not worry about that all. Now here you have to just enter the name of the AWS exam which you want to give and just schedule the event. Now on this meeting time, I'm gonna be schedule the exam. How? So you have to just say your exam name, the date and time, and in the meeting we are started processing to schedule your exam. It's a very simple process, right? You will be not getting the voucher to schedule the exam, right? Make sure. So yeah, that's a very pretty much simple process to get AWS 50% off, right? So after that all, right, I will be personally help you how to get certified. If you have any doubt or any questions, you can ask in the meeting call itself, right? So yeah, that's pretty much about on today's video. But on this, I'm gonna be give you the simple one of the more achievement from my side. I recently certified on AWS GenAI Developer Professional. So if you want to know how I certified, how many questions are there, how was my experience, just let me know in the comment box. I will create a separate video on this. Correct. So there are a lot of upcoming features we are coming soon. So currently stay tuned with me and schedule the call, right? If you want to just AWS certified, we will give you to all the resources. So do not worry about, on your time slot. So yeah, If is there anything, let me know in the comment box. I will help out to you. So please, coming back to the scheduling goal, first come, first serve. So if you want to get certified, try to first schedule the call as your slot is going to the someone. So try to do is first come, first serve and get your benefit today. And they are limited time right now. So it's your chance to get certified and get the job in 2026. So yeah, best of luck. If you already scheduled the exam or if you want to do it, just do it, right? I am here to help you anywhere, anytime. So bye bye, see you and take care.